Hello everyone, to welcome to another video of the series Python Snippets interview series. So we already have two videos for this series and we are back with another video. So here also in this series we'll be discussing three questions and which will make your interview experience very easy and comfortable. You will be already ready and prepared for your interview. So let's start with the first question. Find all duplicates in a list. Okay. So if you guys have already gone through the couple of videos which I have put in Akansha Academy, you might be already aware what to do in this. Okay. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll initialize a list with this. Okay. And we would import counter and we'll try to capture the frequency of each and every elements, right? So see, the frequency is here. One is repeating twice, two is repeating twice, three is repeating once, four is repeating once, and five is repeating once. So duplicates here is one and two, for which we have more than one repetition, right? So what we can do, we will iterate through all the elements in this dictionary. So we'll take two variables to capture both the key and the value. Before this, we would initialize an empty result list. And here what we'll do, as we said, iterate through all the elements in this dictionary. And if sound is greater than 1, we'll append that particular element into the list. And after all this, what we'll do, we'll print this list. So see, we got 1 and 2. So I hope this is very clear, guys. We'll have more such similar question, okay? So that each and every area is covered with multiple examples so that you can easily implement this in the interview. Okay. Let's move to the next question, guys. So what we have, check if two strings are anagrams, listen and silent. So we'll again go through what is anagram or what are anagrams. So listen word and silent word, if you see carefully, it is made up of E, I, N, L, S, T, and I, right? So let's suppose we initialize a variable A with the word listen, okay? And let's suppose we try to create a sorted list of all the characters present in A, then see what we'll get. We'll get EILNST, right? And let's suppose we have B, which is silent, and again we are trying to print all the sorted list of characters. So we are getting this. Now what we can do to see if it is same or not, or they are anagrams or not, we will conditionally check, and the output is true. So that definitely means that silent and listen are anagrams, right? So it was a very simple question, but if you find this question first time in the interview, then you will feel it is very difficult. So that's why follow this series, guys. And as I said earlier, most of the questions which you will get in the interviews will be clear. Okay, and with this, we'll be moving to our last question. Find the most frequent element. Okay, if you see in this list, we have 1, 2, 3, and 2 is repeating twice, 1 is repeating twice, but 4 is repeating 4 times. Okay, 4 is the most repeating element. Okay, let's initialize the list with this, and what we'll do, we'll capture the frequency. Okay, so if we see 4 is 4 times, right? What we can do, most frequent element. Okay, um, max count we can initialize with 0, and we'll have uh, an element result. We'll initialize this as 0. Now we'll loop through all the elements in this dictionary frequency. Now, if count is greater than max count, then max count, we will override this with the new maximum value, and the result will be the item here, right? And after all this, what we'll do, we'll print the item, rather result. Why? Because outside the loop, there is no existence of item. So what we have got, guys, we got the most repeated element is 4. So with this, we are done with this episode, guys. If you find this useful, please subscribe to Akansha Academy and follow us for more such videos. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.